Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ICN Noor Academy. Let's start the assembly with Surah Al-Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Thank you for reciting Noor. And now we've got more videos to share with you about students who have been practicing the good habit of saying Bismillah. Let's take a look.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Oh, there's a lollipop. I'll eat it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I say Bismillah before I do my calendar.
MashaAllah, great job, guys. I'm so proud of you for developing those good habits. Since we've been talking about saying Bismillah, this week here's a story I'd like to share with you about one of the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once, a person was riding with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam when the Prophet's horse tripped. When the person saw this, he said some bad words like, "Curse you, shaitan!" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him not to say that because if you do, the shaitan puffs up with pride and says, "I'm so powerful, I made him fall." Instead, say Bismillah. If you say Bismillah, shaitan will become small and weak, like a little fly. This story teaches us that it's good for us to remember Allah even when something bad happens. So next time you trip or fall, or you see someone fall, or you think something bad has happened, try saying Bismillah. Do you know what time it is now? It is time for the name hat. So let's see who's going to recite Surah Al-Fatiha next time. Inshallah, it's going to be Hafsa. Congratulations, Hafsa. That's all for today. Enjoy the rest of the week with your families. Assalamu alaikum.